Mr. Speaker, I rise this morning to update this Honorable House on the government's mortgage guarantee program, the latest developments in its expansion, and our broader efforts to make home ownership more affordable for Bermudians. Mr. Speaker, the mortgage guarantee program is a key initiative of this government, designed to support Bermudians in achieving the dream of home ownership. Whether they are first-time buyers or existing homeowners seeking more favorable mortgage rates, this program addresses the challenges many face in accessing affordable financing. Since its launch, I am proud to report that 52 individuals and families have become first-time homeowners or have been pre-approved and are awaiting the opportunity that best suits their needs. Mr. Speaker, these are real, hard-working Bermudians who once believed home ownership was out of reach but now have a place to call their own. The impact of this program is profound. With a 5% interest rate, families with a $600,000 mortgage can save over $550 per month, while those with a $1 million mortgage can save over $700 a month. These savings are more than numbers. They represent tangible relief for families, allowing them to invest in their futures, contribute to the economy, and over time, build long-term wealth. It is also worth noting that to date, all mortgages under this program are current and in good standing. This demonstrates that when we alleviate financial pressures, Bermudians are up to the task, can meet their obligations, and build stability. But, Mr. Speaker, our work does not stop there. Phase 2 of the program has revealed specific challenges for public officers in what we refer to as special group services, including police officers, firefighters, and prison officers. It has been brought to our attention that due to their earlier retirement age, these individuals often face difficulties qualifying for the program. After listening to their concerns and holding discussions with Bermuda Commercial Bank, I am pleased to announce that effective January 1st, public officers in these groups may have their retirement age considered as 65, subject to the individual's ability and willingness to work beyond their profession's standard retirement age and the bank's standard lending criteria. This change ensures that these critical workers, those who protect and serve our community, can access the same benefits as others, with the aim of making home ownership more attainable for them and their families. Mr. Speaker, another priority of this government has been to encourage greater competition in the local banking sector. Competition benefits customers, ensuring they have access to the best possible terms and rates. To this end, we have implemented and discussed measures to make transferring mortgages more affordable. Last year, we amended legislation to eliminate stamp duty on mortgage transfers for amounts under $1 million. Building on that initiative, I, along with the Ministry of Finance, recently met with the heads of HSBC, BCB, Butterfield, and Clarion, and am pleased to report that each of these banks have affirmed their willingness to include legal and closing costs within the loan when transferring a mortgage, subject to the respective bank's approval. This means Bermudians can transfer their mortgage to another bank without incurring any stamp duty and without paying out of pocket for legal and other associated costs. Mr. Speaker, I encourage all Bermudians to explore their options when it comes to their mortgage. Shop around, compare rates, and negotiate with their current lender. One Bermudian recently shared with me how, after being offered a better rate elsewhere, their original bank chose to match the offer rather than lose their business. This is a powerful example of the benefits of competition and a reminder that being proactive can result in significant savings. Mr. Speaker, home ownership is about more than financial security. It represents stability, a sense of belonging, and a place to build dreams. This government understands that, and through the Mortgage Guarantee Program and other efforts to enhance competition in banking, we are showing Bermudians that we are committed to their financial well-being. We remain dedicated to prudently removing barriers and creating pathways to home ownership, reducing the financial burden for families and ensuring that more Bermudians have the opportunity to own a home. To those who have taken their first steps towards home ownership and those still seeking better mortgage rates, I say this: your government is here to support you. We are building a Bermuda where opportunities abound, where financial relief is achievable, and where home ownership is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Thank you.